This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Shopify store on Google search. First, make sure your store is open to the public and not hidden behind a password. Next, you will want to verify your domain with Google Search Console. This is a crucial step for Google to recognize your site. Then, submit your sitemap to Google, which helps them understand your store's structure. Finally, begin optimizing your product titles and descriptions with keywords. Now, let's focus on your individual product pages. Craft descriptive and keyword-rich titles that clearly state what your product is. Aim for unique product descriptions that are at least 300 words long, providing valuable information to both customers and search engines. Always include high-quality images with descriptive alt text. Lastly, keep your product URLs clean and concise, incorporating relevant keywords for better visibility. Technical aspects are vital for search engine success. Work on improving your store's loading speed. Faster sites rank better and keep customers happy. Confirm your Shopify store is completely mobile-friendly and responsive across all devices. Organize your products into logical collections, making it simple for both users and search engines to navigate. Also, consider implementing structured data markup to enhance your search result listings with rich snippets. Beyond your store, off-page SEO plays a significant role. Focus on building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites. These act as votes of confidence for your store. Actively promote your products and store across various social media platforms to drive traffic. Continuously monitor your store's performance using Google Analytics to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Remember to regularly update your content and add new products to keep your store fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.